I definitely think it's unlocked something which I didn't know was there.
Well, I went into that class and I wasn't expecting it to be so vibrant and fun. Yeah, it was really colourful and creative.
Why don't we form a bridge between them?
Yeah, let's do that.
Engaging with a team environment, a creative atmosphere, a creative environment was really, really interesting to see how we can come up with different solutions for problems. One of those yellow circle ones there, please. Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Today we think creativity is all about an interaction between materials like the Legos and people. It happens between people and the process that they use to tease the creativity out. I want you to start building the first idea that comes into your head that contributes to how we might better preserve the Great Barrier Reef.
As we started, it was a bit awkward, but that's as it is with every group. But as we sort of went through the Lego process and we sort of shared ideas with each other, it became this really exciting friendship growth that happened within the group. We all sort of started sharing ideas and we were like, yes, that's a great idea, this is a great idea, and we all sort of just became closer towards the end.
Bob in the water. See where that white one is? If you replace the white one with that eye, you get the two eyes.
When we came together as a team, it was interesting to see where ideas were accepted and where ideas probably needed further exploration before we actually chose that idea.
And that bridges across to yours.
That's perfect. Or we should bridge it where the screen is because it's research.
Part of research and education. It felt as if at the start it was quite rigid. We were all sort of getting to know each other. We didn't really understand the thought processes of each individual. But as the course went on, we played with the Lego more and more and we interacted with chat and idea sharing. We actually became more fluid and more cohesive. So we worked better in towards the common goal. I might need to put another block on there actually.
This is the jury. Yes, no, working? What do we need?
I don't know, something that goes in there.
If you just want to, for giggle's sake.
Even though someone may not look creative and they don't, have that sort of creative energy or anything, most people do actually. Everyone's sort of got a creative little thing inside of them ready to pop out.
It was really great to be able to share ideas and when other people are listening, it gives you more confidence to be bold in your idea.
It's always good to bounce ideas off other individuals and work alongside people who aren't necessarily from the same background to achieve an overall and better and more efficient and effective solution.